Hello, welcome back to First in China Review. Today I have an unboxing video for a pretty exciting looking set of headphones. We got the Edifier Hecate G7 and we're going to see what this thing looks like and how it works. So on the outside we have a pretty nice box. It should be pretty nice because this is about $100 US. This is coming from a company that I have bought many products from. I have their 2.1 subwoofer system. I also have some of their headphones and they work pretty well. Usually they offer pretty good value for the money, and I chose these because these are the best gaming headphones they have. So this is the G7, and I don't know what their sort of naming convention is. There's also a G4 and a G2. G4 seems to be the most popular one that they have. It sells for about $40-50, and then G2 is somehow cheaper than that, and it's more of a budget set. But this is definitely not budget. We got 7.1 surround sound. We'll see how that goes. There's some RGB going on in there, and it looks like there's a built-in digital audio converter. This is a USB connected version here, as you can tell, and they also have some control features. So let's get to it. Let's see here, so let's pop this thing open. Okay. Alright. Okay, so we got some foam in here, and then now we have our headphones. So it seems to be a pretty basic looking box. There's plenty of foam in here, so everything's well protected. We got some instructions. Ooh, we got some stickers. Ooh, in case you want to show your H pride. And let's take a look at the headphones themselves. So, okay. So we got a pretty thick sort of USB cable. No cheap thin stuff. Let's see if we can pull that through here. And here's what we got. So we have a nice, it looks like some stainless steel material band on the top. The cushion here, I feel like it could be a little bit thicker, but we'll see how it feels after we wear it. The pads here are actually pretty hefty. Seems to be made out of two different materials, like a little faux leather material on the outside, and then something a little bit more breathable on the inside, which might be good for those long-term gaming sessions. Here they have the L and the R marked on the inside instead of having a little tiny letter here like most headphones do. So that could be useful. And we got some controls here. It looks like we got. What is this? There's a mute button here. There is some sort of dial that goes up and down. We don't know what that does yet. Here on the remote, we have a power button. We have what looks like a volume knob. It seems like you can pick between several different modes. They have one for a MOBA, what appears to be a crosshair, and then what looks like music. So they have a couple of different modes that you can pick from. And we'll check that out in the full review. So other than that, USB cable seems pretty standard. Here we have a microphone. Looks like it's retractable. There we go. You can flex it a little bit. It's not detachable, so if you want it to be detachable, then that's not gonna happen. But it does sort of sneak back in here. I guess if you're someone who likes to use headphones sort of on the road and at home, this might not be the best thing. Also, it's USB, so unless you want to get some sort of converter from USB to 3.5 millimeter, it's probably not going to work out. These are going to be staying at home, and let's see what this feels like when we put it on here. I got a big head, so I got to open this up. We got left and right. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So yeah, there seems to be a pretty good amount of isolation here. So I think once we turn on the music or the game, then it will definitely block out all the outside noise. And yeah, I mean, it feels pretty good so far, but I mean, we have to see what it's like after we wear it for a few hours. Let's see, where is this thing? There we go. All right, so this is my gaming look here with these headphones. Not bad, not bad. I mean, all of these all look kind of big and clunky, but you know, you're not doing this to look cool in front of your friends. So that's basically it for the unboxing. There's nothing left in here. It's just a bunch of foam. Yeah. So if you're interested in these headphones, the Edifier G7 Hecate or Hecate, I don't know how to say it. I probably need to talk to a Greek mythology guy to figure out what the right pronunciation for this is. Come check out the next review. This unboxing though is over, and if you want to see more of this, then please subscribe to the channel. This is First in China Reviews. Thanks for watching.